Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today GBMTF just filed an 8K and I'm seeing a significant leadership shakeup that tells a story. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Essentially, the trust's top financial officers are changing and it looks like a planned transition. So what is an 8K filing? Think of it as a company's way of telling the public about important events that shareholders should know about right away. It is not for regular updates like quarterly earnings, but for things like major business developments, legal issues, or in this case, big changes in who is running the show financially. This particular report is a current report, meaning it covers events happening right now or very recently. The date of the earliest event reported here is the 26th of June, 2026. The company we're looking at is the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust ETF. This is a fund that aims to track the price of Bitcoin, letting investors get exposure to the cryptocurrency without actually owning it directly. It is registered in Delaware and its ticker symbol is BTC. Now here is something important. The Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust ETF shares are registered and traded on the NYSE Arca Inc. under the symbol BTC. This means it is a publicly traded security on a major exchange. The main news in this filing is all about changes in leadership, specifically with the Chief Financial Officer role. On the 2nd of July 2026, Grayscale Investment Sponsors, LLC, which is the entity that manages this trust, announced some key appointments. Kathryn, Masci and Plourde, both already holding senior finance roles, are stepping up to become co-chief financial officers on an interim basis. This transition is effective the 2nd of July 2026. It is interesting that they're going with Co-CFOs, which can sometimes indicate a collaborative approach or sharing of responsibilities during a transition. Adding to her new role, Kathryn Masci is also being appointed to the board of managers for Grayscale Investment Sponsors LLC. This is a bigger move, showing she is not just handling the finances, but also has a say in the overall direction of the management company. On top of everything else, Ms. Masci will also be the principal financial and accounting officer for the ETF itself. This means she is the main person responsible for the accuracy of the ETF's financial reporting. These appointments mean that Edward McGee, who has been serving as the Chief Financial Officer, Principal Financial and Accounting Officer, and a board member, is stepping down. His departure is effective on the same day, the 2nd of July 2026. Now, the filing makes it clear that Mr. McGee is leaving for personal reasons, not because of any disputes or issues with the company's operations or policies. This is good to see, as it suggests a smooth and amicable parting. The company expressed gratitude for his 7 years of service, and it is stated that he is leaving on good terms. This usually means the company is parting with a valuable employee without any negative baggage. Let's look at Kathryn Masci's background. She has been with Grayscale since May 2020, holding various finance and accounting roles. Most recently, she was Senior Vice President of Finance starting in January 2026. Before Grayscale, she had experience at Garrison Capital Inc., Bazina Investment Management, and even Ernst & Young LLP, where she worked in audit and advisory services for financial clients. She is also a certified public accountant. This is a solid financial background. Plourde also stepped into the Senior Vice President of Finance role in January 2026, having joined Grayscale as a Vice President in September 2022. He also has experience as Assistant Treasurer for the Grayscale Funds Trust since 2025. His career spans over 20 years in financial services, including treasury and fund administration roles at places like Gabelli Asset Management and State Street Global Advisors. He also holds an MBA with an accounting concentration. Both new CFOs seem well qualified. The filing is signed off, as is standard for these reports, by the authorized individuals. In this case, it is signed by Kathryn Masci in her new capacity as Co-Chief Financial Officer and Principal Financial and Accounting Officer. The asterisk clarifies that she is signing as an authorized officer of the sponsor company Grayscale Investment Sponsors LLC, not as an individual officer of the trust itself. What does this all mean? It looks like a planned succession. Edward McGee is leaving gracefully, and two experienced internal leaders, Kathryn Masci and Plourde, are stepping up. The appointment of Ms. Masci to the board of managers suggests Grayscale is looking to integrate financial leadership more strategically at the management level. For the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust ETF, this transition aims for continuity in financial operations and reporting. The market for Bitcoin ETFs is competitive, and having stable, experienced financial leadership is crucial for investor confidence. While there are no specific financial tables to dive into here, the information presented focuses on personnel, which is a critical component of any company's operational health and its ability to execute its strategy effectively, especially in a volatile market like cryptocurrency. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.